It's very exciting for us. We've all been preparing all week for it. Talk to the girls. Everybody will tell you what time our game's at. We've all been anticipating this game all week. We haven't had any games leading up to it, so we've had enough time to prepare. We are definitely ready to go against A&M. First place on the line. I mean, a lot of people would think that there's nerves, but I don't think we're going into this game nervous. I think we're pumped up, we're excited, we're ready to beat them, just like we know we can. We're not trying to be too overconfident at the same time, but we're still pretty pumped.
Well, that was going to be my next question. You've won 8 in a row. How important and how confident is the team having won 8 in a row?
We're very confident right now. You know, we're playing some pretty good volleyball. We know we haven't really hit our peak yet, but at the same time, we're still playing really well, and we know that there's still another level that can come out. So hopefully it's this Friday when that level comes out so we can stay on top.